Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how you can use these three platforms Freenom, aPage or IONOS platforms to get free domain names. So if you are interested, please make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel, give this video a thumbs up and keep watching this video till the end. So let's get started. As you can see right here, as an example, I will use this website because it's really simple and easy. This website is freenom.com. Once you create an account, it's completely free. You don't have to pay any money or to insert any credit card informations. Just create an account using your email. You will see an interface like this one to check the availability. So for example, let's say the domain name that I want to get for free is something like Midcash as an example. Check availability. Once you click on check availability, you will see a lot of examples or domain names that you can grab for free, as you can see right here. So for example, let's say we're gonna choose the first one, which is midcash point or .tk. Let's click on get it now. It says checking and it's now selected. Now let's click on checkout. Once you click on checkout, you will get redirected to this page. As you can see, I have one domain already in this account, so this is the second one or the one that we just select. So as you can see, click on the period button and choose 12 months for free. So this way you will get advantage, or you can use this domain for 12 months completely for free. Now you need to connect this domain name with your web hosting. If you are using a web hosting company like Namecheap or Hostinger or HostGator or Bluehost, you can use this DNS and you can go with your own DNS if you have different name servers and different IP addresses. It's really simple. But if you are using Blogger, which is a Google product, blogger.com, you can just use Freenom DNS service, right? Once you go to Blogger and you insert or you click on the button with a custom domain name and you enter this domain name that we have right here, which is midcash.tk as an example, you will get asked to add some IP addresses. For example, if you have different IP addresses than this ones, you will go with your own DNS and enter here the name server number one and the host name or the IP address, and the same with the second strategy, and just click on continue and you will get your domain name for free connected with your website and with your hosting, and you can use it for 12 months. And it's just like the same with apage.com or with as well with this website, which is ionos.com. All of them are working like the same, but for me I prefer this one, which is Freenom, because it's easy. Just follow the steps that I showed you in this video and you will get your domain name completely for free without paying any money or any credit cards are required. So it's completely free. So one of the problems that a lot of people are talking about is that after uh, after 12 months, which is 1 year, after 1 year you will get asked to pay money because this website give you this free domain name just for the first year, but after that you need to pay money. But the problem is sometimes they're gonna ask you to pay a lot of money actually, and I think this is how they make money. The first year they offer you the domain for free. This way they use this strategy as a hook to get you, because after 1 year you build a website or maybe you build a brand around it with your own domain name and your website got ranked and start getting traffic from search engines, and after that After 1 year, they will ask you to pay a lot of money, because otherwise you don't want to lose your domain name, because your project is around or is related to this domain name. So you just get forced to pay money. So to avoid this scenario, you can transfer this domain name from this registrar, which is Freenom, to Namecheap or any other registrars that you can use, and then you will just pay the normal price, which is something like $8 per year, which is really good. This is the solution for this problem. And if you don't understand, just go to YouTube and type how to uh, move a domain name, under how to change the registrar from Freenom, for example, to HostGator or to Namecheap or to GoDaddy. Just type how to move a domain name or how to change the registrar, something like that. You will get a lot of videos talking, or a lot of videos about the same topic. So as you can see, you can use aPage. aPage is a hosting platform that you can use to get website hostings. They as well provide you, or they offer for you, a free domain name. As you can see right here, get a free domain name. The first step to building your website and your business, included with aPage hosting. You can get the service from them as well, but I don't test it, to be honest. And this ionos.com, this website as well, say that free domain name registration. So if you want to register with them a free domain name, you can get advantage of this offer. Just go to their website, and you will have to choose or to pick the domain name that you want to pick. For example, let's say something like Metcash. Check, just to see how it works in this website as well. So just click on check, and as you can see right here, Metcash. The first year, this one said that the first year you need to pay $1, I think. Then just $15 per year. So where is the free domain names? Something like 80 cents. This is a good one. But here is the problem. All the time make sure that the renewal price is not expensive. This one is so expensive. $40 per year. I would like to go with an $8 per year and pay from the first year, than paying $40 after 1 free year. And they don't even offer you this free. I don't know why, but the last time I get a couple of free domain names. Maybe they are not available in this domain name that I just typed right here. So just try to look for many different domain names, or just go ahead and try this Freenom, because it's really simple. So that was everything for today's video, guys. See you in the next video.